Thinking about filing a patent in the UAE? Here's your step-by-step guide to make the process smooth and successful. Step 1. Determine patentability. Start by conducting a patent search to assess the novelty and inventive step of your idea. Step 2. Prepare documentation. Collect all necessary documents, including the patent application form, a detailed description of your invention, claims, drawings, and an abstract. Step 3. File the application. Submit your application to the UAE Ministry of Economy and pay the filing fee. Step 4. Examination process. Your application will undergo formal and substantive examinations. Be ready to respond to any objections that may arise. Step 5. Granting of patent. After publication, if there are no oppositions, you will receive your patent certificate. Common pitfalls to avoid. Make sure your documentation is complete. Conduct a prior art search and define your claims clearly. Follow these steps to protect your innovation and turn your ideas into reality. Stay tuned for more tips.